Replace any cartridges in HP DeskJet 2600 series printers that are low or out of ink, as indicated by the blinking ink alert light on the printer with genuine HP ink cartridges. With the printer on and paper loaded in the input tray, lower the output tray and then open the ink cartridge access door. On the cartridge that needs replacing, push down to unlock it from the printer. Remove the cartridge and set it aside for recycling. For more information about recycling your used HP cartridges, visit hp.com/recycle. Remove the replacement cartridge from its package. Pull the tab to remove the plastic tape from the cartridge. Do not touch the copper-colored contacts or ink nozzles. Touching these can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Make sure you install the replacement cartridge in its correct slot, tricolor on the left and black on the right. Holding the cartridge by its sides, push it into its slot until it snaps into place. If necessary, replace the other cartridge. Close the ink cartridge access door. An alignment page prints automatically. Scan the page to align the cartridges. Lift the scanner lid. Place the alignment page print side down on the scanner glass, using the guides for correct placement. Close the scanner lid. Press the Start Copy Black or Start Copy Color button to scan the alignment page and continue printing. With the printer idle and silent, the alignment is complete. You can resume normal printing.